Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Make sure the TV and your phone share the same Wi-Fi network so discovery works. Next, install Samsung SmartThings on your phone and sign in. On the TV, open Settings and enable Mobile Remote or Network Remote so the TV will accept a phone connection. Once done, keep the TV on the input screen and the phone's Bluetooth on. This speeds up initial discovery and explains why both network and local radios must be active for pairing. You now pair the devices. Open SmartThings, tap the plus sign to add a device, and select your Samsung TV from the discovered list. When the TV shows a 4-digit PIN, enter it into the app to confirm the secure link. Make sure to grant any requested permissions. Local network access is required for control, and microphone permission is optional for voice. Once paired, you'll see a remote interface. Use the directional pad, volume, and source buttons to verify control so you know pairing succeeded. Finish by testing core functions. Change inputs, launch apps, and control volume so you confirm full operation. Save the TV as a favorite in SmartThings to reconnect faster, and enable remote power or wake on LAN if your model supports it so you can turn the TV on from the phone. If things go wrong, restart the TV and phone, verify both are on the same network, and update TV firmware and the app. This sequence fixes most issues and gets you back controlling in minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.